You should apologize for being late. It's polite. Shall we go to the park this afternoon? I shall call you later to discuss the meeting details. You should always wear a seatbelt while driving. It's important for safety. Shall we meet at 10 a.m. tomorrow? They should bring their own supplies for the workshop. I shall inform the team about the new project updates. We should be there by 9 a.m. tomorrow, right? The company shall provide training to all new employees. If you feel sick, you should see a doctor.